My name's Del Raven and I work at the College of West Anglia in Anglia Training Centre, which is based within the college. I'm a gas trainer and a renewables trainer. I train apprentices and people that come to renew their qualifications. And we do everything from ACS, which is your accredited centre scheme, which covers your CCM1s, your LPG. We do water regs and unvented, and we've just recently introduced heat pumps, which is your heat pumps for air source, ground source and design. So we do all of that, and then so we do gas apprentices and plumbing apprentices. The ideal candidate for Anglia Training Centre is anyone that wants to renew or upskill qualifications that they currently have. To attend, you have to have some experience in plumbing. We usually ask for at least 2 years. This can be achieved by just working on the tools or having completed a previous full-time course at the college. And based on that, we can upskill you to become a heating engineer, either fitting gas or renewable technologies, whichever path you would choose. So currently we offer a gas engineering apprenticeship, which is 18 months long, and we take you from a level 2 qualification in plumbing, and usually a full-time course, right the way through to a gas and heating engineer. So we cover all sorts on that, from installation, servicing, breakdowns, system design. As a gas apprentice, you have to complete a portfolio of experience, and that's done on day release from your company. 1 day a week you'll come into the college and we'll train you in all the different elements that are required. You have to find your own gas company that will provide you with a gas mentor that will allow you to shadow them for at least 18 months for the other 4 days a week. For a commercial course, they run from anything from 1 day to a 4-day course. So a 1-day course would be your unvented, your water regs. LPG is going to be 2 days to renew, and then an ACS or a heat pump course is going to be a 4-day course. They run consecutively.
My name's Sam Burbage and I'm studying level 3 plumbing and heating and gas as well. I chose College of West Anglia because I live in Norfolk and that was the best option around for me. I enjoy college because the teachers are nice, supportive, and the class makes it like a good laugh as well as learning a lot. The staff at the college are always friendly, helpful, always there if you need them. I'm doing my apprenticeship with AMR. So once I finish my apprenticeship, I plan to stay with them for some years, gain some experience, so I really enjoy working with them.
My name is Henry Smith and I'm studying a level 3 course in plumbing, heating and gas. I chose the College of West Anglia because it was the best college near to me. I chose to do an apprenticeship because it was a good way to earn whilst you learn and do more of a practical subject. I think the facilities at college are tip-top really. They've got everything we want, need to use. My apprenticeship is with Dempsey Heating. I got the apprenticeship through, I did a level 2 course in plumbing, and then as part of that I did work experience, and from there I then carried on and then moved on to a level 3 course. Once I finish the apprenticeship, ideally I'd like to see if there's any further training that I can do to further progress my career.
If you come to Anglia Training Centre, obviously we're not like your normal commercial training centres. We're based within a college, so we provide a really supportive experience from start to finish. We make sure that every need is met and that you get the best experience possible when training with us. We try to make it as stress-free as possible. As a training provider, we've built up a good rapport with companies that send us regular apprentices and operatives to renew their certificates. But it's not only the big companies, it's the little one-man bands that keep coming back to us to renew their qualifications. We like to think that they're always welcome and friendly, and the fact they return, we believe we do provide that service. So you can book any of our courses online through our website. So if you just go onto the college website and search for Anglia Training Centre, you'll see a list of all the dates and prices that we have. If you're unsure of anything, you can always contact us at our email address or via the college phone number, and we'll be able to give you the information and guidance to book onto the right course for you.